Wrong key. The new addition to the family. But first, we've got to sort out a couple of issues. She's not exactly a pearler, but we'll get her there. We'll polish her up. And one of our issues is exiting the vehicle. So we've got to pull on that bad boy, give her a bit of a nudge, and we're good to go. So we're going to crack in with a couple of jobs, and we'll show you. I wonder how you get in the back. I guess you just climb over this seat or something.
Well, there's a lever down there.
Oh, no way. No way. Oh, that's sick. Oh, it's like the Hyundai Getz, mate.
Should fold forward like a little Getsy.
Oh, it's got a broken thing. I'll just have to weld that back on. Make a plate, or maybe we can find one. Anyway, we'll see. It's rare. Alright, let's see if the seat moves forward. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, that's sick.
How good.
Oh, that is so cool.
How do you feel in the back seat for once?
I just want to stay in the back seat all the time. I'm going to be a backseat bandit. Claire's going to drive this one. This is sick.
It is very
so
cool.
much character. Two-door disco, baby. Woo! What's this from? Oh, just a window rubber. Oh yes, it's actually cost us $14.98. Now we're making money. So we'll add that to the piggy bank for some mods and repairs.
We just figured out that the driver's seat goes forward too.
Yeah, the driver's seat goes forward too. God, this thing's sick.
Good.
It's so cool.
The doors are a bit funky, so we're going to take the trim off from this side and fix the handle so it can open, basically. The other one is a bit too far gone, so we'll see about that one, but we'll do this first. Oi!
Get in there. Go on. Okay. Go. Go. Hey! So we've got this door to work, to at least open. The previous owner, through frustration, has bent this side as well as the other side. I just noticed, so we're going to get a new door lock there. And the key is also snapped. Snappy on the driver's side. So what we've done for the moment is we've zip tied the locking this mechanism. It goes into an unlock position because this electric actuator is also buggered. So that was not holding that into the open position, was relaxing and allowing it to put pressure and not locking it. So anyway, so we'll get one of them and two new outdoor locks. The actual lock mechanism itself is working quite good. So the magic of YouTube, and we'll jump to when we have the parts. We finally managed to source some door lock parts off various Land Rover enthusiasts in Perth. The Land Rover community has its quirks, but it constantly amazes me how many amazing Land Rover owners are out there that are willing to go that extra mile to help. Pulling parts off their backyard wrecks in order to help a fellow Land Rover owner out, as well as offering to find out if a rear handle will fit the front door mechanism, while also offering to carry out the work to fit it in place, for basically next to nothing. It really does show the continued strength of this community. I can inform you that it certainly does fit. The only difference between the rear passenger doors mechanism and the front is the presence of the key barrel. Everything else is interchangeable, and a whopping $200 for a brand new door mechanism. This was a great relief. Sweet. That'll do for now. You. Next episode we get a little more dirty working on Candice as we do a more in-depth inspection of what this old Land Rover needs. We trip ready as we count down the days for our first West Coast camp trip in this classic Land Rover Disco.